Surprise! The first brokerage I'm going to talk about is Cash App. Now I have another video explaining the other reasons to get Cash App, but the thing that popped up for me, and I believe this is still a good offer, was if you bought stock using the app, you got $5 in free stock. So I spent $1 on a stock and they bought $5 more with that. Now the stock symbol that I bought was SPY, which is basically a broad fund that pays a little bit of a dividend. So, free $5. Go ahead and sign up. There's going to be a link in the comments to do that. And also I'm going to talk about Cash App in the comments and link to the other video, which is the reason you really want this, because it just pays week after week after week. My family and I have a potential cash benefit of about $1,600 a month, because there's a year, $1,600 a year, so about $130 a month, because there's 4 of us, so we can use those benefits on each of the 4 cards that we have. So if you've got a wife or a teenager or whatever, go ahead and get them all one. The next app is Public. Now on this one, I believe I put in $1 and they ended up giving me some free stock once because I had to call in or email in customer service. It's a very simple app. This is basically just go ahead and get one for free. And I'm going to reiterate, the reason to get multiple accounts is because every now and then they'll just kick out an offer like the one that was on Cash App, and they'll say, hey, spend $1, get this, or maybe a deposit and you'll get a certain amount, etc. So I think it's a good idea to have them across the board. It's just free money. And then also you could refer people down the road, like significant others, wives, kids, etc., especially if they ask about something. Anywho, on to the next app. Now this is the most famous one, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time here, but Robinhood is a pretty good basic app. There are other better apps for trading. I'm going to save that one for last, but this falls into the category of get your free stock. The margin rate is actually okay if you do Robinhood Gold and you maximize the use of the margin. That's something I would answer in the comments if anybody has a question on that. And then you can refer family members and get more free stock. Both my kids and my wife got it, so this is just another, throw it in the bag, get your free money. Now the last one I'm going to talk about, this does take, to get the most benefit, a deposit of $100. Their current offer ends on the 30th of November, so that's in a couple of days. If you're going to do one, do this one because you get 4 free stocks. The last 4 free stocks that I got were worth about $33, so put it 100, make 33% in a few days, and you get some benefits up front, like level 2 quotes are free. This is probably the most grown up, alright, I'm just going to say it's the most grown up brokerage, so to speak, of the 4. So this, if you get this account, this is going to kind of get you down the road pretty far. The other 3 are real simple. They don't have sophisticated features, etc., etc. Without going too into depth, just trust me on this. This is the grown-up one to have. But there's no reason once, like I said, just go ahead and get all 4. If you don't want the stock in the other 3, sell that, transfer it to your bank account, and then put it into WeBull. That's an option. So that about does it for now. No reason not to sit down and do all 4 of these while you're sitting around at the holidays. Put some free money back in your wallet. Invest it in something that pays dividends. If anybody's got any questions on what they should invest in, I'll make recommendations in the comments. I am not licensed for this. I'm just someone that's been trading stock for a long time, stocks and options. So once again, there's my disclaimer. If you lose it all, don't blame me. But I wouldn't recommend something that wasn't fairly resilient. I mean, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. I'll probably recommend something that pays you little dividends here and there, and you can either take that out in cash, but preferably reinvest it, because most of these, at least the first three, you can buy, $1's worth of stock. So just let your dividends build up. Maybe put an extra dollar or two in there from time to time instead of going to Starbucks. Build up that little portfolio, build up that little income. So thanks for watching. Hit those links in the comments. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Ask me questions in the comments, and I hope this helps. See you guys soon.